Hello viewers, I am Dr. Rahul Reddy from Androcare Andrology Institute, Hyderabad. Today in this video we will be discussing about what are the tests needed for erectile dysfunction evaluation. This will help you in understanding the causative factor or root cause for your erectile dysfunction problem. So now generally we do three types of tests. One test is a blood test, which is a hormone test. Generally we need 5 types of hormones. These hormones are FSH, LH, prolactin, testosterone and estrogen. But estrogen is not necessary in everybody, but sometimes in obese patients or patients who take alcohol regularly, in them this testosterone estrogen ratio is abnormal. That is why we do estrogen in them, and thyroid test. Apart from these blood tests, additional tests like homocysteine, vitamin D, vitamin B12, even these things are lipid profile, basically cholesterol evaluation. Even these things are useful but not necessary in the primary visit. We do only these hormone tests, and along with hormone tests, then we do 2 types of vascular evaluation things. Because when in the previous video we discussed about the various causes of erectile dysfunction or various types of erectile dysfunction. So here, based on the type we have to do the test. For hormonal cause we have to do hormone test. For vascular evaluation we need 2 types of tests. One test is to find out whether this vascular cause is generalized cause which is there on all blood vessels in the body, and our second test whether the penile blood vessels, whether the blood vessels in the penis are damaged or not. That is to identify that. So we do a scan called penile Doppler. Penile Doppler will tell us whether this is generally there are 2 cylinders in the penis, whether the blood circulation is okay in these 2 cylinders of the penis, or whether there is any blockage, whether there is any leakage of blood. Your penile Doppler test will tell us. And third test will tell us whether this problem of vascular erectile dysfunction is it related to any other generalized vascular problem. So that means, suppose if a patient is having severe hypertension and there is severe vascular stiffness, then same stiffness can cause erectile dysfunction in penis. So that means it stops blood flow into the penis. So same way diabetes, there is generalized vascular damage, small vessel damage. So this same small, most of the penile blood vessels are small or medium sized blood vessels. So any damage there can cause erectile dysfunction. So these 3 tests, one is hormonal evaluation, second one is penile Doppler, and third one is generalized vascular evaluation. These tests, 3 tests will tell us what is the root cause for your erectile dysfunction. And once there is, once you know this one, then it's very easy to treat. And actually, if it is vascular problem, then you can advantage is this vascular problem is always progressive. That means if you neglect this, as the vascular problem goes on, the damage will be severe. So treating it at early stages, you can cure the problem. But once you identify it at very late stages where already there is significant damage in the penis, then you can't cure this problem. Then either you have to be on lifelong medications, or you need some expensive treatments like shockwave therapy or penile implant surgery. So always if we can evaluate in early stages, it gives us important need for immediate treatment so that we can cure the problem. Okay viewers, if you have any doubt regarding this ED evaluation, generally most of the people are scared about penile Doppler. Generally the moment you search in Google for penile Doppler, they say you have to give an injection to the penis, but this injection is with a micro syringe, very small, like insulin syringe. It's a painless injection and it's safe. If it is done in most of the safe center, good diagnostic centers, it is safe. And second thing what is important is not every radiologist can do a penile Doppler study, and you need a good radiologist who has experience in this penile Dopplers. Even in Hyderabad city there are only 10 to 15 doctors who can do this penile Doppler properly. So get it done because this test can't be repeated again and again. So get it done from a good diagnostic center or a good andrology center. So if you have any doubts regarding this evaluation or anything regarding to men's health, post it in comment section. We'll try to make a video on that. So okay viewers, thanks for watching us. Please subscribe our channel so that you will get continuous updates regarding men's health issues. Thank you viewers.